For multiplying with base 5, we need to make use of the multiplication table again in base 5. So here it is. Keep in mind that 0 times anything is 0. So that takes care of this top row and the left column. 1 times anything is itself. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, and so on. So the second column and second row also pretty straightforward. For the rest of it, the remaining part of it, this is where you got to keep in mind about the pennies and nickels. So for instance, this 11 here, where it looks like 11, that's 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. You can think of that as 6 or 1 nickel and 1 penny. This one right here looks like a 31, but it's really 4 times 4, which is 16. That's going to be 3 nickels and 1 penny. So as long as you keep those facts right, the multiplication is the same as before. So if I want to do 144 base 5 times 2 base 5, this is something that you could use exploding dots. I mean, multiply by 2, but let's do this straight out. I put in 144 times 2. I get 882. Over with exploding dots, basically this is base 5, so whenever you have 5 of something, you explode to put 1 to the next one over. So this 8 here can become a 3, and this becomes a 9. This 9 becomes a 4, and this becomes a 3. So 343 base 5. So 144 base 5 times 2 base 5 is 343 base 5. And if you think about it, this is 1 quarter, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. So 25 cents for the quarter, the 4 nickels, and the 4 pennies. That's going to be 49 cents, or you can think it's 49 cents. Times 2 should give you 98 cents. Here, we would have 3 quarters, so that's 75 cents, plus 20 cents for 4 nickels, plus 3. And that comes out to 75 plus 20 is 95, plus 3 is 98. And you can see that does check. All right, what about part B, where it's a little bit more complicated? And let me go ahead and clear off this space. Well, recall that 1 times anything is itself, so 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4. And then I'll put a placeholder, 0. And now I'm going to do 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, which is 1, 3 in base 5. 4 times 2 is 8, which is a nickel and 3 pennies. So 3, and then carry up the 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. That's going to be 2 nickels and 3 pennies. So that's going to be a 3 and 2 pennies. And then 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 would be 18. That would be 3 nickels and 3 pennies. So that's going to be 2, 6, 7, 3, 3. This 6 here can explode. Leaves you 8 there. The 8 can explode. Leaves you 4, next one over. So we end up with 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, base 5. I'll leave it to check if you want.